everybody, welcome to my another weekend learning video. So in this video I wanted to discuss about a trade that I took in Moltec, which is as of now clocking more than 100% return for me. So in the study of candlesticks, especially when one is beginning to learn candlesticks and starting on their journey, or even if you are moderately proficient with candlesticks, one great tool that you can add to support candlestick reading is the 50 moving average, and the patterns, candlestick patterns which occur on that average or around that average has higher significance. So in this chart you can see that there is a bullish engulfing candle made on the day after Christmas, exactly on the 50 moving average, right? So, and there was another bullish engulfing before this, and the stock is making higher highs, lower lows, and it is now on a downtrend, and then you have a perfect classic bullish engulfing signal. So I entered here, and my stop loss was this green line, and this stock also gave plenty of opportunity for addition, so I added the stock about this break of this resistance line, and now I'm holding both the positions. So this is how one can make amazing returns with candlesticks, which you just need to trail the position. You can just see that this stop loss was never hit. You just take pivot as stop loss, just TSL here, TSL there, and that's it. So there is no stop loss which is set. Now we can easily move your TSL to 200 and hold the ride. Let's see how it goes. So it's 114% as of today, and I hope this video will help you find more such trades. There is opportunity all the time, every time in the market. It's for us to find it. To imagine this November or December, time at which there was a lot of bearishness in the market, but candlesticks gave you 100% winner. So just focus on candles, and one can make a lot of money. So good luck, and I'll meet you again in the next video. Till then, have a great weekend, folks, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.